Hey guys, this is Om Misra and in this video we are going to discuss about Canva. Canva is a user-friendly application where we can design anything we want. In this video we are going to discuss about what is Canva, what are the features of Canva, how we can use Canva and can make our designs from Canva, and we will learn each and everything about Canva. So what are you waiting for? Let's start the video. So guys, this is the interface of Canva where you will see many stuffs you want, where you can create document, you can use whiteboard, you can make presentation, you can make social media post, Facebook post, Instagram post, you can make videos, you can print products as well, and the most important, you can make your website, your portfolio as well in Canva. So you can do so many things in Canva. And guys, I am using the free version because majority of people use free version, and I will tell you each and everything what things we can do in Canva. So watch the video till end and hit the like button as well. So guys, let me tell you more about Canva. So if you want to make an Instagram post, so simply search in this search section Instagram post. Here it will occur each and everything. See, if you want to make Instagram post in a portrait mode or you want to make Instagram post in a square mode, both have different sizes, so it's depend upon you which post you want to make. And guys, one more thing is that if you want to make your design जिसका size आपको पता है, so simply go to this custom size and write your size. कौन से size में आपको बनाना है, right here. For an example, I am writing 1920 into 320. This is just an example. You can make any size you want. You can click on create new design and one new page will be open and you can create anything you want. So guys, I will make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva and I will explain you how Canva actually works. So I will search here YouTube thumbnail and here it will occur. Its size is 1280 into 720. You can see here, and I will click here and there will be a lot of templates as you can see. And remember one thing, that you have to use the free templates. If you want to use the pro template, then you have to take the subscription. So try to use the free template. And one more thing is that you can create a blank template as well. आपको अगर scratch से बनाना है कोई भी आपका poster, तो आप वो भी कर सकते हैं. So guys, so let's take this template, customize this template, and here you will see this interface where you can move each and everything whatever you can see. Canva is a drag and drop process where you can move anything you want. Simply you want this best game to move it here, so you can move anywhere you want. I'm going to tell you each and everything how you can use Canva. So guys, this is a design interface where you can search anything as per your requirement. अगर आपको artificial intelligence के बारे में बनाना है, तो simply search artificial intelligence. Moving to the next, this is the element part where you can search each and everything. For an example, I want a Canva logo. So simply search here Canva. It will give you many things. It will give you graphics. It will give you photos. It will give you videos as well. You can take as per your requirement and you can search anything you want and you can use in your thumbnail. Moving to the next, if you want to write your own text, so simply go to text and add a heading and write whatever you want. And this is the brand. This is available for the premium version, so we will not discuss about this because we are using free version. And this is the upload section, and this is the most interesting and the most important thing. If you want to add your picture, your logo, anything which you want in your thumbnail, so you can simply upload from here. Moving to next, you can draw anything you want. You can draw as per your requirement in your thumbnail. And this is the project section. It will show all your history, what you have done in Canva. So guys, we are going to make a YouTube thumbnail and I will tell you how to design the thumbnail from basics. So simply this is the interface and I am going to design this from scratch. So मैंने इस template का duplicate एक ले रखा है. Simply आप यहाँ से इसे ले सकते हैं. And I have removed all the things required. I have added one picture of mine and I have added a logo of Canva. And you can get the logo of Canva from here. Simply search Canva and you can get from here. Simply I have taken, so I will delete this and I have edited this as well. मैंने इस फोटो को ब्लर कर दिया है ताकि वो इंगेजिंग लगे देखने में थोड़ा, और मैंने उसके पीछे एक लाइट लीक्स डाल दी है जिससे वो काफ़ी इंगेजिंग लग रहा है. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. लेट मी bring in front. I have, see, this is the light leak. You simply search light leaks and you can take as per your requirement. So put it. I am putting it backward. Now I am adding a, you can simply drag and drop wherever you want to make. Simply I am putting here और मैं इसे change कर दे रहा हूँ. So this looks very amazing. You can add you can add some more stuff as per your requirement, trying to tell you that how you can use Canva from basics, how you can add your pictures, how you can add photos, how you can add graphics, how you can write, how you can think. But ultimate goal is to practice. If you will practice daily, you will get a lot of knowledge how to make. So guys, I will explain you more. If you want to transparent this, so simply go to transparency and you can change this transparency as well. And guys, if you want to change this font, so simply go here and make this font and apply that font as per your requirement. I use Poppins, which looks very great. This I use, which looks very awesome. You can change the size from here, you can change the color from here, and these are all the stuffs you can use in Canva, and you can design anything you want. Simply I am just explaining you. I am not going to design at an advanced level. If you want me how I make thumbnails, do comment in the comment section. So if you are a beginner, then you have to practice at least half an hour and you will enjoy this, because Canva is a user friendly application and you need to know this.